Good morning friends, myself Niranjan Nayak. Welcome to our channel Quest. Today is 8th March. Today in a regular GK series, Today in History, we shall recall some of the memorable events happened on 8th March in history in form of questionnaires so as to enable you to memorize easily. Friends, if you are watching the channel first time, then click the red subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of our videos. Let's start today's session of questionnaires. Question number 1. Which Indian politician born on this day in 1889 who was Chief Minister of Odisha province in British India from 1937 to 1939 and Chief Minister of Odisha from 1971 to 1972 and was Governor of Uttar Pradesh from 1962 to 1967? Answer. Vishwanath Das. Question number 2. Which Indian golfer won Thailand Open title on this day in 2009? Answer. Jyoti Randhawa. Question number 3. Which Indian Hindi poet and lyricist born on this day in 1921 had won the Filmfare Award for Best Lyricist for film Taj Mahal and is remembered for his films Pyasa, Hum Dono, Kabhi Kabhi, Waqt? Answer. Sahir Ludhianvi. Now I am reciting one of his famous lyrics. तकदीर से बिगड़ी हुई तकदीर बना ले, अपने पे भरोसा है तो ये दाव लगा ले. Question number 4. Which Indian politician and the Queen of Dholpur born on this day in 1953 is the first female Chief Minister of Rajasthan? Answer. Vasundhara Raje Scindia. Question number 5. Which Indian female cricketer born on this day in 1989 was awarded Arjuna Award in 2017? Answer. Harmanpreet Kaur. Question number 6. Who took over the power of Great Britain and Ireland after the death of King William III? Answer. Queen Anne. Question number 7. Who became the King of Sweden and Norway on this day in 1844? Answer. Oscar I. Question number 8. Which stock exchange officially established and started working on this day in 1817 in Wall Street, New York, United States, which was started on 17th May 1792? Answer. New York Stock Exchange. Question number 9. Which pharmacist of Poland born on this day in 1822 had built the first modern oil refinery in Jaslo, Poland in 1856, who is remembered also for his invention modern kerosene lamp, introduction of first modern street lamp and construction of first modern oil well? Answer. Ignacy Lukasiewicz. Question number 10. Which year on this day International Women's Day was celebrated first time in Europe? Answer. 1911. Question number 11. Which year on this day United States gave recognition to this day as International Women's Day? Answer. 1977. Friends, thanks for viewing this video. If you feel the video is useful, then comment, like, share and subscribe.